Imagine getting into a car accident and having undeniable proof that the accident wasn't your fault. Or catching a hit-and-run driver, recording an attempted break-in, or even capturing unbelievable moments on the road that you'd otherwise never believe happened. That's exactly why millions of drivers are installing dashcams. But here's the catch. Not every dashcam delivers the video quality, reliability, or features you actually need when it matters most. Some have blurry night footage, others overheat, and some fail to record at the worst possible moment. So in today's video, I've rounded up the top 3 best dashcams you can buy right now. Whether you're looking for crystal clear 4K recording, advanced parking protection, GPS tracking, or the best value for your money, there's a perfect option on this list. Be sure to stick around until the end because my number 1 pick offers features that used to be found only in premium dashcams costing hundreds more. With that said, let's jump into number 3.
Coming in at number 3, we have the 70Mi T800, a premium 3-channel dashcam that's built for drivers who want complete coverage, crystal clear footage, and smarter protection every time they hit the road. The biggest highlight is its triple camera setup. You get dual 4K recording for both the front and rear cameras, plus a dedicated 1080p interior camera giving you full coverage inside and outside your vehicle. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or driving for Uber or Lyft, every important angle is being recorded. Image quality is outstanding thanks to dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors and HDR technology. Combined with 70mi's exclusive My Color Vivid Plus imaging system, the camera captures sharper license plates, clearer road signs, and more natural colors while reducing glare from bright sunlight and headlights. Night driving is where this camera really shines. With 70mi Night Owl Vision and 4 built-in infrared cabin lights, the interior camera automatically activates in low light, keeping passengers and the cabin clearly visible without causing distractions. Safety features are equally impressive. The built-in ADAS system provides lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and pedestrian detection to help keep you aware of potential hazards on the road. For even more convenience, the T800 supports voice control, allowing you to save videos or control key functions without taking your hands off the wheel. And if you add the optional 4G module, you can unlock live vehicle monitoring, theft tracking, and real-time location updates directly from your smartphone. One feature you'll definitely appreciate is that it comes with a 512GB memory card included, so you can start recording in full 4K immediately without buying extra storage. Loop recording automatically overwrites old footage, while the built-in G sensor instantly locks important accident videos to make sure they never get deleted. So if you want complete 360-degree protection, stunning 4K video quality, advanced night vision, smart safety features, and everything you need right out of the box, the 70mi T800 is easily one of the best 3-channel dashcams you can buy today.
Taking the number 2 spot on our list is the Vantrue E1 Pro, a compact dashcam that delivers flagship image quality, smart features, and outstanding protection in an incredibly small package. Don't let its tiny size fool you. About the size of a $1 coin, the E1 Pro blends discreetly behind your windshield while packing some seriously impressive technology. At its core is the Sony IMX678 8-megapixel Starvis 2 sensor, capable of recording stunning 4K Ultra HD video with exceptional detail. Combined with the 158-degree wide-angle lens, it captures everything happening around your vehicle, from license plates and traffic signs to pedestrians and unexpected incidents. But where this dashcam really shines is at night. Vantrue's exclusive Plate Pix technology, combined with Starvis 2 and a bright f1.8 7-glass lens, produces footage that's noticeably clearer than standard 4K HDR recordings. That means sharper license plate recognition, reduced motion blur, and better visibility in low-light conditions exactly when you need it most. Connectivity is equally impressive. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can quickly download, edit, and share your recordings directly through the Vantrue app. The integrated GPS also records your speed, driving route, and location, making your footage even more useful if you ever need it for insurance or legal purposes. Safety continues even after you've parked. The 24/7 buffered parking mode captures 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after motion is detected, ensuring important moments aren't aren't missed. Multiple parking modes give you flexible protection while your vehicle is unattended. And for even more convenience, the E1 Pro supports voice commands, allowing you to take photos or control Wi-Fi completely hands-free so your attention stays on the road. Installation is quick and secure thanks to its magnetic mounting system, and Vantrue backs it with an 18-month warranty, plus regular firmware updates to keep your dashcam performing at its best. So if you want flagship 4K recording, exceptional night vision, built-in GPS, voice control, and advanced parking protection, all packed into one of the smallest dashcams available, the Vantrue E1 Pro is easily one of the best premium dashcams you can buy today. And finally, taking the #1 spot on our list, we have the Viofo A329S, a dashcam that delivers professional-grade video quality, cutting-edge technology, and the kind of reliability every driver wants on the road. If protecting your vehicle is your top priority, this is one of the best investments you can make. Let's start with the camera quality. The A329S records in stunning 4K at 60 frames per second on the front camera, paired with 2K recording on the rear camera. The result is incredibly smooth, ultra-sharp footage that captures everything from license plates to street signs with impressive clarity whether you're driving during the day or at night. But the real magic happens behind the lens. The A329S features Sony's latest dual Starvis 2 image sensors, including the flagship IMX678 sensor on the front and IMX675 on the rear. These premium sensors dramatically improve low-light performance, reduce motion blur, and provide a much wider dynamic range, ensuring clearer footage even in rain, tunnels, or nighttime driving. Security continues even after you've parked. With its intelligent impact detection parking mode, the dashcam stays in an ultra-low-power standby mode and instantly begins recording if it detects a collision. That means your vehicle remains protected while minimizing battery drain when properly connected with a hardwire kit. Another standout feature is next-generation Wi-Fi 6. Compared to traditional Wi-Fi dashcams, transfer speeds are up to 3 times faster, allowing you to preview, download, and share 4K footage to your smartphone in seconds. Need a 1-minute 4K clip after an accident? It can be transferred in under 10 seconds. Storage is just as impressive. The A329S supports micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes or an external SSD up to 4 terabytes, providing enough capacity for weeks of continuous recording without constantly overwriting older footage. That's perfect for road trips, rideshare drivers, commercial vehicles, or anyone who spends a lot of time behind the wheel. So when you combine true 4K 60 FPS recording, premium Sony Starvis 2 sensors, advanced parking protection, lightning-fast Wi-Fi 6, and industry-leading storage support, the Viofo A329S easily earns the #1 spot on this list. If you want one of the most advanced and reliable dashcams available today, this is the one to buy. And that's our list of the top 3 best dashcams you can buy right now. No matter which one you choose, investing in a quality dashcam can give you peace of mind every time you hit the road. From capturing unexpected accidents to protecting your vehicle while it's parked, the right dashcam can be one of the smartest upgrades you make for your car. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and top product picks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.